Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're practicing breathing. Just lie down and allow your body to relax. Let's begin. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gently switch to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now lie on your back. Place one hand on your rib and the other on your belly. As you breathe, feel your ribs and your belly move together, expanding and softly releasing. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, slightly tilt your tailbone, allowing your back to feel heavy and fully supported by the mat. Inhale as your arm slowly lift. Feel the breeze fill your chest and ribs. Exhale slowly as your arm lower. Inhale. Exhale. Let your core gently engage and feel the breeze sink downward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take a blanket, roll it up, and tuck it into the fold of your belly. And slowly lie forward on the mat. Get comfortable. Inhale. Feel the air fill the back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. gently move up the body. Lift one side arm up. Put the other hand on your rib. Inhale, allowing your rib to open. Exhale, letting your rib gently soften. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's switch to the other side. Stay within a range that feels easy and comfortable. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Thanks for joining me. Save this and do it again tomorrow.